guys! Gusto niyo po bang magtrabaho abroad? Meron na naman po tayong napag-alamang isang legit agency na nag-hire for Filipinos to work abroad. Ito po yung Staff House International Resources. Ang kanila pong address ay 43 West Point Street, Cubao, Quezon City, Philippines. At kung gusto niyo pong mag-apply ng trabaho abroad like Saudi Arabia, Europe, like Germany, Austria, United Kingdom, and New Zealand, marami po silang openings ngayon. I-check nyo lang po kanilang Facebook page, Staff House International Resources. Din po ang kanilang landline phone number, 891-33-333. Email address ay info@staffhouse.com. 100% legit po itong international recruitment agency na to. No placement fee, no processing fee, no salary deduction. Lahat po ng kanilang job openings is for manpower pooling only at zero fees. Hindi po kayo maglalabas ng pera dyan. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!